Phone using...
Recording. You're recording.
Well, I need you to use this phone over here to call my cell phone.
But you're recording.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I just want to see how you do it. Can you call me up on it?
You just stand up
You
there.
can come over here.
What number are you?
Yeah. Alright, you gotta go all the way around.
4-3.
It's gotta go all the way around.
That's the little thing.
3. 8.
How'd you do it again?
Wait, or is it like this? It's not working? Wait. Alright, 4. Confused.
Try again. Hang up and try again. I'll tell you that's not the way.
No, that's not your number.
So hang up and start over.
4. One, two, three, 4. 4. 1. 3.
8, 8, 8.
How do you call it? I forgot to turn it on.
No, that's all.
There'll be a reward if you get this.
Can you do it, Andy? You want to work it?
Not really.
Do you want to try, Andy?
Oh, wait. That's how everyone does it in the movie.
Do you like?
Wait. Why does it show me holes?
Do you have to put it on the fourth hole and then
4.
third and
1. 3. 4. 3. 3. 8. 8. 8. 8.
Yay! You got it right.
It's calling.
did we take on 911 or something?
Do you know what that signal is?
Radio wave. Oh, no. It's cell towers. I hear myself.
You hear that beeper? Do you guys know what that is?
I don't know what you mean.
It's a beeper. Do you hear that?
yeah,
It's radio tower.
phone. It's trying to call. I don't know what you mean.
It's from.
It means it's not working. I don't know what it means.
You know what that is.
What is
Wait,
it?
no, it's not working.
What is it?
Or it's trying to connect.
Then what does it mean?
It's a busy signal.
It's not working.
No, it's working. It's just busy.
Busy? How is this busy?
Do you know what that means when it's busy?
Don't
Yeah,
our
no
phones,
clue.
don't our phones still make that noise?
Yeah, you hear it, right?
No, I mean our phones.
Busy? What do you mean it's busy?
It means the person on the other line is busy. And they can't answer.
That means they're
Answer
on
it.
the line. They're on their phone already. You can't get through.